Let's learn how to remove the floating home button on an iPhone. If that floating home button annoys you, but you don't know how to get rid of it, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Because, after watching this video, you'll know how to do it without watching any tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you've opened Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. Now you need to scroll down a bit and click on the Accessibility option, which has an icon of a person next to it. Once you've clicked on that, a page will open with many options. Out of all those options, you need to click on the Touch option, which is in the Physical and Motor section. Once you've clicked on that option, a page will open with several options. Now you need to click on the AssistiveTouch option, which is at the top of the page. Once you've clicked on that, a page with many options will open. If the floating home button annoys you, you need to turn off the first option, which is called AssistiveTouch. And that's it. The floating home button will no longer appear. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.